Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help fix Apple CarPlay on your Nissan Altima. First, ensure your iPhone is unlocked and updated to the latest iOS. Next, inspect your USB cable for any damage. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Always use an Apple-certified cable for best results. Also, confirm CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone's screen time settings. Finally, try restarting both your iPhone and the Altima's infotainment system. These simple steps often resolve many connectivity issues. If basic checks don't work, let's dive into settings. On your iPhone, go to CarPlay settings and forget your Nissan Altima. Then, on your Altima's infotainment system, remove your iPhone from the connected devices list. Consider performing a factory reset on the Altima's infotainment system, which can clear software glitches. Also, ensure Siri is enabled on your iPhone, as CarPlay relies heavily on its functionality. Re-enabling Siri can sometimes fix communication problems. For persistent issues, check for software updates on your Nissan Altima's infotainment system. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems. If your Altima has multiple USB ports, try connecting your iPhone to a different one. Sometimes, one port might be faulty. Verify that no restrictions are enabled on your iPhone that could block CarPlay. A good diagnostic step is to test CarPlay with a different iPhone to see if the problem lies with your specific device or the car. If you've tried all these steps and CarPlay still isn't working, it's time to consider professional help. Your Nissan dealership has specialized tools to diagnose deeper hardware issues, such as a faulty USB port or a problem with the head unit itself. They can also perform more advanced software diagnostics and apply specific updates that aren't user-accessible. Remember, if your vehicle is still under warranty, these repairs might be covered, saving you potential costs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.